How do I even start a blooper video?
Hi, my name is Courtney and this is my bloopers.
The blooper video has bloopers. That's how dumb I am. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm not gonna be sharing a recipe. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you every blooper ever. So I wanted to make this a yearly thing where I just share all the bloopers from the entire year of filming What's Written. I did it last year and it is my 2-year mark. It was in February, I should say, but things were going on in my life, so I kind of had to postpone it. So now you're getting the video and you're getting even more bloopers because it's a little over a year. And when I say bloopers, okay, I mean like literally every single episode I film, all bloopers. Thank goodness for editing because I'd be in big trouble. I mean, it's hair. I mean, it's bad. Pretty much my whole life is a blooper. See? That's exactly what yep. So basically, I'm gonna warn you right off the bat, I am not ladylike, okay? Not even 1%. If you think I'm annoying, or I'm dumb, or I'm weird, you're correct. But in all seriousness, I think it's so much fun to watch bloopers. That is like my favorite thing to watch on YouTube, is just watching people be human and mess up, because that's what we do. We're imperfect. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting me for these 2 years. I know it's been kind of crazy with my upload schedules, not the greatest, but you guys are so supportive and so kind. Your comments make my day. Every time I read a nice comment from you guys, it totally just makes my entire day. So without further ado, I'm really nervous to show you these bloopers because this is like me, unedited, in all my glory. Let's roll with the bloopers. Woo! Holy macaroni. Riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Why are you laughing at me? I'm a totally normal person. I don't even understand why you're laughing. One pan recipes. Who likes one pan? I like one pan. I don't want to scare the people. If I take too big of a bite, they're gonna go, yikes, that girl got a big mouth. Is that a bug? It's winter time, get out of here. And they're just absolutely delicious. And do you have to fart or burp every single time I film? I think this is a theme. I'm gonna show you how to make this recipe, and you add this, and you add this, and a little sprinkle of farts. Thank you guys so much for blah, 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 blah. When life gives you lemon, gives you lemon, gives you. And then you make a lemon Then you make a lemon cheesecake, make a lemon cheesecake treat, and then you make a lemon jello. I know, I'm telling you guys, you go ahead. You do want to recreate this recipe? What in the world is a recipe? In the kitchen wrist, twisting like a stir fry. Song stuck in my head. In the kitchen wrist, twisting like a stir fry. And as easy as it is. I can't say that. And as easy as and let me tell you, once you make this oh, I just spit. Sup guys? I don't know why, but my nose is really itchy all of a sudden. There's hair in my mouth. My nose is dripping. Did you have chocolate today? Yep, I had chocolate. Chocolate in my teeth. All right, teeth good. Okay. Yeah. For a Super Bowl. I'm all over the place. Slow down, Courtney, slow down. Sup, guys? You have a Super Bowl cup of the what? What was I gonna say? I totally forgot. Boop, it was gone. Gone. Okay, it's gone. Like, my brain just took a dump. So I wanted to arm you with a killer recipe. So I want to I don't know. Screw it. Let's keep the other one. Why am I always like this? Perfect if you are. Oh, it smells like butt in here because of that cauliflower. I messed it up already. Do it again. I don't want to. I quit because I'm PMSing. My hormones are insane. Woo! There's a burp coming. I'm sorry, it's the spiciness. I can't handle it. Are you ready? I'm ready. And as always, thank you guys so Thank you guys. Enchilada sauce. I just spit. Whoops. Sorry, there's something in my tooth. Lemon, chicken, and potato. I'm gonna be showing... What? Dang it! What's up, guys? My name is... I hate when I do that. Delicious. I feel like I'm getting choked with this thing on. Did I say ingredients weird? Probably did. Ingredients.
Are you ready? Because I'm ready.
What was that? A toit? I feel like I have to burp all the time. Scanacopita.
Spanakopita. I feel so itchy.
I was gonna say Scampatopia. Spank.
Spank. There's no spank.
Why do I keep wanting to say Spankatopia? You didn't even eat anything yet. Why are you burping? What is wrong with you? Stop. I'm supposed to be smelling the aroma of the dish, and now I'm gonna be smelling your fart. You guys how to make a delicious moist turkey at home. No, where else are you gonna make it? The gas station? Intro to the stuffing, take one.
Okay, record.
Today I'm gonna be sharing you I'm gonna be sharing you guys. Yep, that's what we're doing today. Let me try that again. Why did I do that?
Ready, set, go.
For about 35 minutes to... Itchy. So good. Oh, my nose. I am telling you guys that something's on my lip. They have so many more recipes to cut. I'm like a blinkathon, man. Oops.
Apple butter.
Delicious, homemade. Here we go. As soon as the fall weather hits, everyone just stampedes to the fall. To the fall.
Stampedes to the fall.
Put on your coziest sweater you have
And grab a really warm blankie.
and then you can just go on to the next.
I'm stupid.
I need help. Has it ever occurred to you guys that I'm a little bit on the whoop whoop side? You sure it's gone?
I can't do that, I'm stupid.
Oh my gosh, I was just about to talk and you fart. That's going in the bloops. The delicious final product. I cannot stress enough to you guys how amazing it smells in here. After he just straight up farted. Scratch that, it doesn't smell amazing anymore. Because I have so many more Hold on, booger check. 1, 2, 3. Whenever there's an opportunity,
Dung, dung.
in any parts of the recipe, then perfect cook. Much for hanging out with me, and we'll see you next time. What is this? I do weird crap at every ending. We're just gonna pop a lid on this, and we're gonna cook it for about 8 hours. The longer you... So now we just pop on the lid and we cook it for 8 hours on low. We're also going to add some fraud. Wow. 7 hours, then add a little. I mean, could it get any easier? Cook it for another. My turn for a bite. Not too big so I don't scare you guys. Jeez, babe. I swear, you're made out of farts. Entirely composed of farts. I'll leave his... I don't know what to say. This is why you have to edit, because I'm just... Everything's out of my brain today. I have all the measurements there as... And if you're not already... The words, they won't work today. I don't even know what I'm doing with this hand. I'm just always flipping it around. And at the end of the day, I need help.